Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. Welcome to my kitchen. Tomorrow's someone's birthday. Shh. I've been asked to make a birthday cake for someone that's near and dear to my heart. I already have my cakes baked. Now it's a matter of decorating. So let's get started. My niece asked me if I would make this cake for her mama for her 50th birthday. And I was very honored to do this. I have the Wilton standard buttercream frosting recipe that I've added chocolate to, several flavors of several kinds of chocolate. I have my chocolate cakes layered here. I've got a line there. I already have them semi-frosted, number one, to hold this down, and second of all, in between my layers. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this part of getting it frosted, and then we'll go from there, decorating the rest of it. Okay, this was my mother's, and I was the lucky one that inherited that. Yes, I call it inherited because I remember my mama using this. But now she's passed on. I get to use it doing one of the things that I enjoy doing, and that is making and decorating cakes. I almost didn't make enough frosting, did I? We barely had it, but we got it. I hate to have to make a whole nother batch just for this little bit. I think I'd go around and try to scrape a little bit of it off elsewhere first. And I did have an issue with my cakes that's sticking to my pan. What was up with all that? Do tell. I just don't even know, y'all, how that came about. All right. That looks nice, huh? Now, for the next step. The next step, I better put a little more icing right there, huh? Got to make it work. That's for sure. Okay. The next thing I want to do is I want to sturdy this cake up a little bit. So I'm going to take some dowel rod and do just that. Just needing a couple of these to go in there to keep it steady. So we'll do just like that. Tap it on the end. Yeah, just slide that down in there and push it on through. And cover my holes back up. See here. Now I've got me another batch of the Wilton frosting, buttercream frosting over here, and I've got it green. Got it colored green. I think I should have plenty of that. Should have. Anyway. Okay. This part's going to be a little messy. So, I'm going to slide some parchment paper in there so that I can collect all of the bits and pieces that crinkle down. This is chocolate cookies that I have crushed. Yeah, to make it look like dirt. Jen, I love you. This was not my idea. This is your daughter. And probably your husband, truth be. We know how he is. Again, I love you so much, Jen. Aren't we looking forward to cruising, my sister? One day soon. We cruise together, y'all. If you haven't saw our page, Tom and I have a cruising channel. It's called KY Travelers Cruising. Go look us up. We take you to some beautiful places, that's for sure. Tap it so that it stays on there. All right. Now, let's do it again. This parchment paper is a really good idea, I can tell you. It really helps keep this an organized kind of mess. And by the way, Jim, congratulations. You made it that far. I'll try to get my niece to get us some pictures of her mama when she sees her cake. Okay, guys. Let me get my hands cleaned off. I'll pick that up and let y'all see. Get a little better view. I'm going to have to go get my broom. Oh my goodness, I've got cookie everywhere. Woo. All right, look at here. Look at that. Y'all know what it's going to be, right? Well, if you don't, you will when I get done. Okay, I'm going to get all this mess cleaned up. Y'all saw that mess. I'm sorry about that light there. Whew, I'm having trouble finding my spot here. Okay, Sorry about all the mess, but when you're dealing with crushed cookies, what can you do? Let me get that mess cleaned up. And then I'll get back with y'all. See you soon. Now, time to get started on the rest of it. Let me get some more light in here, guys. Let's see if we can get some grass growing here. Yeah. What do you think? So far. It has one more thing to do that I have to do for it before I stick it in the box. But so far, it's looking good. Yeah. So far, so good. It takes a long time to make these. I don't know if a lot of people understand that, but this takes a long time to make. Let's see. I've been working on this for almost 4 hours now. That's how long it's taken me so far. But the sooner I stop talking and get on with this, the sooner I can finish, right? Then I'll give her a call and say, come on, get it. Okay, let me get everything else set up and I'll be right back. Now, I have to get it put in the box. Yeah, there you go. Y'all can see me now. Now I gotta get it put in the box. A little more light going on over here. Oh my goodness, it's heavy, y'all. I get it in the box, and then we'll get the final touch put on it. Just have one more thing to do to it. And of course, I just got cookie all over the floor, but it's okay. Jen, how many times you gonna hear me say it's okay that I just got cookie all over my floor? All right. Okay, one more thing I have to put on it. Just one. There's the rose. All right. That's the topper. Oh, my goodness. I think it looks good. Okay, y'all. Well, that's it. That's the cake. My sweet dear sister-in-law's 50th birthday cake. Again, happy birthday, Jen. We love you. If y'all are new to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button. And there's a notification bell that'll come up. You just click that and all notifications. So anytime I put new content on, you all are going to be some of the first to know. Give me a thumbs up. I need the thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you like it. You all take care, and until next time, bye.